What's up, people? Luch coming at you again with another episode of crap that Dorito will never ever print with his 3D printer.
No! Not in my garage!
Today I've enlisted the help of little Luch because we're going to print something just for him today. What do you think about that, little Luch? I think that's great, big Luch. All right, so with the help of our JGMAKER magic printer, we're going to make little Luch something very special. So stick with us, people, and you'll see exactly what it is that little Luch is getting himself into. Rock on! Check it out, people. We've made little Luch a little chip. Let's pop this thing off and see exactly what we got. And look at that, people. His very own little chip. Now, once you get all the base and all that other stuff off, you'll have your very own chip too. Just like little Luch here. How do you like your new little chip, little Luch? I love it. It's great. Well, now he's going to be your friend for life. There you have it. Little Luch with little chip. So you see how easy it is to make a heterosexual life partner for yourself? I've done it right here making Dorito. And you can too. With your JGMAKER 3D printer, people. Print your heterosexual life partner now. Rock on.